What is up, guys? Today we are back with another YouTube video, and we are doing a tutorial. Okay, so the tutorial is about how to make the best airplane like ever. I created this one, no joke. I did not get it from anybody else. So you first need a piece of sketch paper from a sketchbook. Make sure it's flat because it'll need to be flat when you have it ready. Alright, so, and make sure it has no drawing on it. Okay, you don't need to sketch. Anymore. There you go. Alright, now you have your paper. You take it, take the piece of paper, fold like this. Fold these flaps, and now it should look like this. Now fold this over, sharpen it up, and now for the best part. You take this piece, you fold it down to make the wings. And this is not the wax tutorial. It'll end up looking cool. I don't even have to look at it because I mastered it already. So, now here you go. You have the best airplane you could get. And there's no other airplane like this. It flies smoothly. Watch this. You saw that? And it goes fast. Watch this. It goes fast too. So, watch this. You didn't see that? Cause it was so fast. I made other one of those, but this is how you upgrade. This is how you upgrade. So it transforms too, guys. Okay? No joke. It transforms. So you take the flaps inside that you folded, take them down, and now you have a boat. You have a boat. And it can sit on the water. and it can transform back. And it can transform into this. And it can transform into that. It can transform into this too. So it pierces air. Don't miss a single piece of air. So, see you later, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And I'm going to be doing another video at school. Don't tell Briasia. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And I'll come up with more tutorials later. See you later, guys.